Supreme Court will take up wrestler's plea seeking FIR against former Wrestling Federation boss Brijbhushan Singh. Now, according to the plea, wrestlers have cited an inordinate delay in registration of an FIR by the Delhi police against the WFI chief and urged the apex court to issue a direction to the police to lodge a case against him. Now, this comes as the wrestlers have resumed their protests against the former WFI chief, and 7 fresh complaints have been filed against him with the Delhi police. On Monday, a senior official from the Sports Authority of India also went to Jantar Mantar to meet the protesting wrestlers and assure them of action. Remember, it was originally 3 months ago when the wrestlers had raised allegations of sexual harassment against Brijbhushan Singh, and a probe panel was set up to look into those allegations.
मुझे कुछ नहीं कहता, मैं सिर्फ सुनने आया था। क्या बोला था? तो उन्होंने जो बोला वो उनसे पूछो ना, बॉस मेरे से पूछो।
आप बात कर रहे थे, आपको यहाँ आने का मकसद क्या था?
उनके सुनना था मुझे।
अब आपने सुना?
सुन लिया।
हमने जो कंप्लेंट्स दी हैं उसके ऊपर FIR होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए? सर ने बोला कि होनी चाहिए। सर ने बोला है कि होनी चाहिए, तो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री से ही आए हैं, इन्होंने बोल दिया होनी चाहिए, तो शायद पुलिस भी सुन ले।
All right, in fact, the Supreme Court will be taking up the wrestlers' plea. Remember, the wrestlers' plea is seeking an FIR against the former Wrestling Federation boss, Brijbhushan Singh. And the wrestlers, in their petition, they've cited an inordinate delay in the registration of an FIR by the Delhi police against the WFI chief, and they've also urged the Supreme Court to issue a direction to the police to lodge a case with him. And remember, this is coming as wrestlers have once again resumed their protests against the former WFI chief, and 7 fresh complaints have been filed against him with the Delhi police. Let's go straight across to my colleague Ela, who is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Ela, firstly, what is the latest that we are picking up on the ground? And then if you could also please tell us, what are we expecting in the Supreme Court today? Do also tell us about the wrestlers' petition and what it alleges.
Well, absolutely. Today is the 3rd day of wrestler protest, and we are right now at Jantar Mantar, where from past 2 days the players are sitting on the protest and doing dharna against Brijbhushan Singh, on whom the allegation of sexual harassment is there. Earlier also in the winters as well, these players protested, but now they are saying that there was no kind of action taken place, satisfactory and concrete steps were taken place, and that is why they are forced to spend their nights on the streets of Jantar Mantar. These are the players who won medals on international levels. Now the players have also given their petition in Supreme Court and demanding the concrete action against Brijbhushan Singh. And they say that 7 girls, and one of them were minor, has accused Brijbhushan Singh of sexual harassment, and that is why they have filed their petition in the Supreme Court as well. And meanwhile, yesterday Delhi police has sought for a detailed report by the committee which was formed after the player protested in the month of January. Now players are saying that they are not also satisfied with the committee, as they don't know what is inside the investigation report. It has been kept confidential from the players, and their major demand is to arrest Brijbhushan Singh as soon as possible. Until then it happens, they are going to continue their dharna at Jantar Mantar. So right now also in
right, Ela, we'll continue to closely track all those developments. Many thanks for bringing us that update.